how to change the opacity of a video in Capcut. So I'm going to show you in Capcut on your phone, but you can also apply this technique on Capcut on your computer. So go over to your Capcut, wherever it may be on your phone, select the project that you want to go into. I'm just going to choose this one here, and I'm going to select the clip that I want to change the opacity on. So I'm going to choose this one, and once you choose that one, you'll get a lot of options at the very bottom. What you want to do is scroll all the way to the right until you see where it says opacity, and you want to click that. And what you can do is just use the little toolbar here and lower this down, and you can change the opacity of this. That way something behind this video, if it's on another track, will be more prominent because now you're lowering the opacity of what's on top of it. And that's it. After you're done, you just hit the check mark, and now that opacity is permanently changed, unless you want to undo it really quickly, but it's changed. The opacity is changed in that video, and it doesn't apply to other videos as well. So you can see that this one's lower, this one's normal, and that's it. That's how you change the opacity of a video in Capcut.